I hope you were able to sneak outside at some point today because of just how beautiful it has been. We are tracking some changes. We're noticing some clouds move into West Michigan now, and rain chances will return as early as later this evening, but more so on Thursday. And then once we get towards the end of the week, another system comes in. This one will bring us some rain, maybe a couple of thunderstorms as well. But the general theme here is that we're going to be staying above average in terms of temperatures for the next several days, and we will be getting into the 60s, well into the 60s by the time we head towards next week. But for the next 6 hours, temperatures currently are in the 50s. They'll gradually fall down into the 40s as those clouds continue to move back in. Now, through the next couple of hours, I cannot rule out a couple of sprinkles, especially in southwestern areas. In fact, radar is trying to suggest some of that, but I think the bulk of the rain will not be happening until later on tomorrow. And you can zoom in here and you can see that we just have some of those clouds beginning to drift in to West Michigan. So I want to break down some of our latest model data for you here on this Wednesday afternoon. You can see what happens. A couple of those sprinkles later this evening, especially along and south of I-94, that may continue into tonight. But then we have an area of low pressure that's going to pretty much track right over the state of Michigan, and that's going to bring us the opportunity at seeing some rainfall. One thing our models are showing, see this pink color? It is possible that it is a little bit of a wintry mix initially, especially in northeastern areas. I think this model is overdoing it. If anything, it's going to be a little bit further to the north. So we'll keep an eye on this. I think it's mostly rain for us and not a ton of rain tomorrow, but there will be some showers around, and then all of that kind of pushes off towards the east once we head towards the evening hours. This is how much rain to expect. You can see it's not a ton. This is not going to be a heavy rainfall event for us by any means, but we do have more rain that will come in once we head towards Friday. And I do want to talk about Friday because the Storm Prediction Center actually has West Michigan on Friday in a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5, meaning there's not a great chance for severe weather, but there is the opportunity that maybe 1 or 2 storms could get to that severe limit, especially late Friday or into early Saturday. I want to show you one of our computer models for this time frame. Friday starts dry. During the afternoon, we could see a couple of showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, especially northwest of Grand Rapids, but the best chance for some rain will be coming late Saturday night into early Sunday, or late Friday night into early Saturday morning when a cold front comes through, and that's the time that we'll probably see the most widespread rain and maybe a couple of thunderstorms in the mix as well. So the weather is turning much more active, but it's spring in West Michigan. We know that this can happen. Now, I will tell you temperatures tomorrow will be on the cool side, only in the 40s because of the rain and the clouds that will be around, but we're right back into the 60s on Friday. Stick around into the 60s, especially early Saturday. And look at this nice weather that's coming for Sunday and Monday. 65 degrees, mostly sunny. Things change though in a big way towards the middle part of next week with some rain and storms Tuesday, and then some rain and cooler temperatures by Wednesday of next week.